Good day, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be creating an empty state of an educational app. So I've already recreated mine, so I'm going to create one along with you. The first thing I'm going to do is let me show you where I got my inspiration from. I got my inspiration from uxl.com. They have project briefs. That's where I got it from. I will show you my dashboard. My dashboard is under um construction at the moment. I don't know what's going on, but in uxl.com they have assessment, they have courses, they also have paid plans for people who want to further their learning. It's a very nice place to go if you want to learn anything. Very nice. You can go there, log in, create an account. You can see your project briefs, you can see assessments, everything you want is right there. Let's go back. So the first thing I'm going to do is create create my frame. So the first thing will be F. You can use F, but for people who just started in Figma, you can just this whole thing here. I call it the actions bar. So we have everything here. So you can just click on F, or you can just go here. You see it's F. Click on it, F, and then I'm looking for iPhone 13 375. Yes, that's the frame I like to use. You click on it. Then you first of all change the name. I will change it to my courses empty state. My courses empty state. Yes, as you can see it's here. Then I'll round my corners. Round the corners are very refreshing. 12. Sorry, not 12, 32. It's under appearance. We call it corner radius. So I've rounded my corners. Before then, I have already bought my status bar, bought my bar components, also bought my arrow. I prepared it all the way for you guys so that this experience will be nice. So when you click on this status, Control C, I go to my empty state, Control V. Then there's this thing called position where you'll be able to position your apps, position your frame wherever you want it. So I want it in the center, align horizontal, align top. As you can see, it's there. Very good, very nice. And next I'm going to be doing is adding my arrow. I bought my arrow beforehand, so Control C, Control V. Arrow is already here. You can get yours from Iconify. That's where I got my arrow. So you can just go to Iconify using your plugins here on this actions bar, Control K, and get yours from Iconify. And this all courses is text. So we're going to go into our actions bar again. Click on T, or you can just go to your actions bar, click on text. So T, when you click on it, you look for my courses. Sorry guys, I don't know. So now I've changed it to I'll change it from 14 to 22, already in bold. So here for you, automatically for you, it's going to be in auto. So let me just change mine to auto so that we can all be on board auto. Very good. It's already auto, so I'll bring it here. I'll hold shift, I'll hold my arrow, shift A, and I'll add auto layout. And auto layout has already given me a space of 15, which is nice, but I want 16. Very good, very nice. And then I don't like the height is too short. I'll change it to 56. It's still under all the things I'm doing is under auto layout. As you can see, my frame is 375, so I'll change my auto layout to 375. The width of my auto layout to 375. I'll position center as always, center. And then under auto layout, there's this thing called padding. There's the horizontal padding and there's the vertical padding. So this is for horizontal left and right, this is for vertical top and bottom. So I want it on each side and I want 16. Why do I want it on each side? Because I want this arrow to directly be under the 9, as it's too close to the top. As you can see, this one is directly under the 9. 16. Yes, it's beforehand. So I click on it, and then I'm holding shift. I click on it and I'll click on my click on my status bar, holding shift, and I'll do shift A, and I'll click on A, shift A. Auto layout has been added. Very nice and very subtle. You can see auto layout has been shift A, auto layout has been added, and it gave me a spacing of 16. I don't want any spacing, so 0. It's still under auto layout to 0. The width is okay, 375, very good. Then you position it center, position, and then the height I want 104 so that I will match what I'm doing. As you can see, it's 104 here to 104. So under this place, you see there's a line here, there's a stroke, very tiny stroke, but it's there just to demarcate that this is the navigation bar. This is the navigation bar. So I'm going to I'm going to indicate mine by using, we use stroke. It's called stroke. The line is called stroke. So you click on add stroke, this plus button. It's black. Black is black is too much. Look at it. Look at how, ooh, no. So I click on it and then I click on this button here and I just move it up. You can just move it your own desired, just make like under gray so that it will just be subtle, so that to just for demarcation, nothing big about it. Here I think what is coming together now. Next thing we're going to design is this place. The first thing we're going to do first is get the illustration. So I get my illustration from on go to on. You can see there are illustrations here, on draw.co. That they just do illustrations over here. Whatever illustrations you like, you can go there and get it. You click on search. Then I'm looking for search. So if you're looking for whatever you're looking for a copy, you can look for it there. So search, click on button. Which one did I click on? I use this file, so I'll click on this file. Then I'll download SVG. I've downloaded it, so you can just download. You can download PNG for, they say download for your project. It's very nice for adjustments. Once I've downloaded, I'll go to my folder, be file. Now click on it. I'll copy, control copy, or you can drag or copy. I copied. Then click on my courses, control V. Do you see how big it is? It's too big. Oh my god. No. So that's very nice. Then there's no need for you to panic. Just click on K. Use K to scale it down so that we can resize it and fit. So you click on K. When you click on K to scale it down, I'm going to start with a very good amount. So I'm going to start with 250. This is 250, right? Let me put it inside the file. Let me know. Let me see. Center. 250. Let's check how many. Oh, it's 220. So we're going to use 220 because I used 220 there. 220. Very good. It's nice now. As you can see, it has come together now. Oh, it's coming together. So another thing we're going to be doing is this text here, no courses and browse copy. So these two texts here, we call it microcopy in UX writing. So we're going to create our own microcopy. Click on T, as always, click on it, then click on no courses. No courses yet, no courses yet. Ha. So is under bold, which is okay. I want 16 and I want bold, not interbold, bold. Very good. Bold is here. So I this second one, instead of me clicking on T again, I'll click on it, then I'll hold Alt, now drag, hold Alt, then drag. Then click on, then you clear the thing and you start browse topics. Another one is browse topics and join one to get started. Oh, it's ever this. That's spell it well. Oh, I didn't spell it well. To get started. Start. Okay. Started. it's too big. I want it small and subtle. You see, we're trying to match here. So I'm going to change the bold to regular. Now change the 16 to 14. I forgot to tell you guys, it's under typography, so you can go there and see it here. So you click on it and you click on the no courses, then you do shift A, and automatically give me a spacing of 7. Let me know how much spacing I put here. I put 6. Okay, it's close enough. I'll leave it at 7. Okay, let me just put at 6 so that I will not be confused. 6 is okay. And then this button, creating a button, a very basic button. We're not going for nothing more. T, and then we're going to type get started. Get started. Get started. Then we're going to change it from regular, change it to bold. Then from 14, we'll change it to 16. So people know that it's very important. Then for you to create a button, shift A. Use shift A instead of creating a rectangle. Very easy. Auto layout is made like easy for you. Shift A, click on it. Auto layout has been added, and I'm going to increase the height to 46. Sorry, 46, 46, and the weight to 250. The weight, that's the weight of it. So now let me look for the color. So I used this color here, that is few. When I click on this button here, I was able to see I use this color here. It's purple color so that it will match the color of what I'm doing. And I clicked on the button and I click on fill. When you click on fill, automatically it's in white. So if you, whenever you click on fill, whether you have a black background and you click on fill, to show you white first, then you can click on it, Control V, enter. My button is coming to back now. Then I will round the radius for the button. I don't like it square line. I'll give it a 12. Very good. As you can see inside my button, the text is black instead of white, so I'll change it to white, FFF. Or you can just click on this page and drag your button to the center. You see it's FFF. It's very nice now. It's getting out. Did I do too much? I think the button here was okay, 222. The button here was 220. Let's follow the button 220, not 250. Sorry, 220. So we're going to put two of them. That is my button and this is my microcopy in the same bracket. Shift A. Shift A, right? So how many padding how many space between did they give? Let me check. 16. Is 16 here. Oh, it's 22. 16. 16. 16. Yes. Then I'm clicking on this. I also want to put this one in the same bracket. Shift A on auto layout. I'm an auto layout girl, sorry. Also going to put the space between 24. 24. Good, 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 good. As you can see, my pages has been created. It has been what created. I've created an empty state for my courses. This is exactly how you create an empty state. Very simple, very basic. This very simple, very basic empty state for an educational app. So in the bio, I'm going to be leaving the site of where I got the inspiration from, or rather the project from. I got it from uxl.com. It will be in my bio, and also the on-draw, the kit that is on draw. I'm going to be leaving the link on my bio, so you can go and click on the website and get your own illustration for you to practice. Make sure you practice along. When you watch this video, make sure to practice along. It will help you so that you can learn easy. I will recommend you practicing along. It's very nice. Or you can watch them practice. I'll tell you to practice along. Thank you. I've come to the end of my video, so thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.